I'm Heather with Essentially Me, and today I'm going to show you one of my absolute favorite body sprays. Well, actually, I use it for body spray. I use it to spray all around the house. I spray on the radiators when the heat comes up. I spray on the blankets, everything. It smells so good. We're going to start with Young Living. I have Sensation, which is one of my favorites. It's a Lang Lang blend, and Lang Lang's a very high vibrating oil. And Northern Lights Black Spruce, which is one of the highest vibrating oils that there are next to rose. Rose is the highest. And that just means that it raises your vibration, so you're better aligned with the energy in the universe and for all good things to come. So this is a really simple recipe to make. It's distilled water. I always use distilled water. And just, these are glass bottles. They have a sprayer with them, like this, and they're available on Amazon. There's all different kinds. You pick whatever color you want, and we're gonna fill it up. You can use any glass bottle you get, wherever you get them. Glass is preferable over plastic. It's better for the oils. But I'm spilling a little bit. That's okay. It's just water. Not the end of the world. It's the beginning. Today, beginning of the next day. Okay, so we're gonna fill it almost to the top with the oil, with the water. And then we're gonna put 10 drops in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Actually, 8's probably good. You can make it as strong or as weak as you want. And then we'll put 8 of this in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, I think we got 10. That one comes out a lot faster. Some of the oils, depending on their thickness, come out a lot faster. Patchouli is a thicker one. That usually takes longer. Okay, so, and then this is just pink Himalayan salt. You can use any type of salt you want. And just put a little pinch in there. 2. I didn't get much the first time. And that's just to disperse the oil, so it doesn't just float on the top. Cover it up. Shake it a little bit. Couple of runs and I'll get into the straw sprayer there. Oh, that smells so good. Okay, and then you can just spray it wherever you want. This is my Happy Heather spray. Well, enjoy. And if you would like to order any essential oils, my website is www.myyoungliving.com/happylapse. HAPPYLAUGHS. Happy Lapse. Have an awesome day.